Hey, Kylo, can I tell you something?
Mm.
You know how we have this quarantine?
Mm.
And we've been working from home?
Mm.
Well, I have some bad news.
Mm.
We have to go back.
Mm.
I know. Eventually. I don't know when, but eventually.
Oh, hello!
Oh.
Hello! Hello! Yes, that's me. What can I do for you? That's me, I'm Mom. Love you. Love you too. Come here.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
Bunny, that's you. You're Bunny.
Love you, Bunny.
Love you, Bunny.
Bunny. Friend.
Yeah, Bunny friend. That's right.
Bunny. Friend.
Yes.
Yes.
Bunny friend.
Who is the goofiest? Who sheds the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
Okay, here I come. Here I come. What's up? What do you want?
Bunny. What?
What do you want, Bunny?
No. Dad.
No, Dad? You want Dad to come? Okay, Dad's upstairs. Let's go find him. We were just outside, Bunny. Outside later. Yes, Mom, outside? Okay.
Come here. Come here. Who did that? Is that you? Who did that? Go eat your food. No, go eat. Go eat your. Go eat your food. Get down. Get down. Go eat your food. You heard what I said. Don't make.
Outside later, Bunny.
Jerry, go look. Well, Jerry's in the other room, so you want me to go look for Jerry. Okay, I will go look for Jerry, but he's literally in the other room.
What? What do you think you're doing? No. No. No.
What's your name? Yes! That is your name!
Shadow, it's time to come in the house. Tell your sister goodbye. Did you like the snow? For real? You found a rabbit? Did you like the snow? Oh, you loved it. Okay.
Casper's been whining. Use your words. Okay, Eleanor is upstairs. What do you need from Eleanor? Yeah, you hear her. She's upstairs. What do you need? Were you just telling me that you heard Eleanor? Tell me what you need. What do you need? I know you said Eleanor, but what do you want? No, go use your words. Use your words. What do you need from Eleanor? No. Okay, use your words. He said no. Casper, come here. Come here. Use your words. Help. Okay, help. What do you need help with? He's whining. What do you need help with? Come on, use your words. Tell me what you need help with. Are you hungry? Do you need to go outside?
You're gonna say hi. Mika, what's wrong? I know you want it off, baby, but we can't take it off. It has to stay on, okay? Give me my beauty sponge. Mika, give it. Mika?
And go outside now? Or outside later? Outside now? Outside later? Okay. Here I come. Good girl. Oh.
Followers that say you never give your lover.
Right? They're gonna kill me.
Funny, it's right here. Here's happy. You happy? Look at that tail. Good. You want more? Good girl. Have some more. More happy. More scritches. Do you want more? More happy, okay. Good girl.